Nam vs SA Live Fire Namibia vs South Africa High Voltage T20 Battle Live. Cricket. Namibia vs South Africa Cricket Fire. Live match update and full SQADS. Hello cricket fans. Welcome to another exciting update from the Namibia T20I Tri-Series 2026. Today's big clash at the Namibia Cricket Ground in Windhoek brought together Namibia and South Africa in a highly anticipated T20 battle. South Africa entered the contest with a talented young squad, while Namibia had the advantage of playing in familiar home conditions. Namibia squad. Namibia were led by experienced all-rounder Gerhard Erasmus. Their squad included Gerhard Erasmus captain, Zane Green, Waldo Smith, J.J. Smith, Lauren Steenkamp, Jan-Nicol Lofty-Eaton, Jan Freiling, Ruben Trumpelman, Malin Kruger, Alexander Valshenk, Jack Brassel, Bernard Scholz, Jan Balt, Max Heingo, Michael van Lingen, Dylan Leiker, Ben Shikongo, and Junior Tanianda. South Africa squad. South Africa were captained by Bjorn Fortuin and featured several exciting young players. The squad included Bjorn Fortuin, Ethan Bosch, Dould Brevis, Tony de Zorzi, Connor Esterhuizen, Jordan Herman, Ruben Herman, Duan Jansen, Quina Mafaka, Enkobani Makona, Enkabyamzi Peter, Lewandri Pretorius, Lutho Sipamla, Jason Smith, and Pernelan Subrian. Studio match commentary. From the very beginning, this was expected to be a fascinating contest. South Africa had plenty of attacking talent, but Namibia were determined to make home advantage count. Gerhard Erasmus was one of the key players to watch for Namibia, while South Africa had dangerous young stars such as Dould Brevis, Tony de Zorzi, and Quina Mafaka. The pressure increased with every over as both sides fought for control. Namibia's bowling attack looked to create early breakthroughs, while South Africa tried to build momentum through their aggressive batting options. As the match entered its decisive stages, the pressure was enormous. Namibia kept their composure and continued fighting until the final moments. And then came the big finish. Namibia completed a thrilling 4-wicket victory. Fire. According to Cricinfo, Namibia won by 4 wickets with no balls remaining, producing a memorable result against South Africa. Trophy final reaction. What a performance from Namibia. South Africa had entered the match as the stronger side on paper, but Namibia showed tremendous confidence, fighting spirit, and composure under pressure. This victory could give Namibia enormous confidence for the rest of the Tri-Series, while South Africa will now look to bounce back strongly in their next game. The Namibia T20I Tri-Series also features Zimbabwe, with the 3 teams competing in a series of matches before the final. Namibia have made a statement today. Fire. Stay tuned for more cricket updates, match highlights, player performances, and breaking news.